Hello guys, welcome to my channel. How have you all been doing? Hopefully fine. So welcome to Hope Talks. Today we are gonna talk about what is negativity. Before starting today's video, I want to suggest you all to watch my previous two videos about depression and expectation. If you watch those videos out, I believe that you will get a more clear conception about these things like negativity, expectation, depressions. To me, all these things have a very unique connection between them and a very unique relation too. So what negativity is? If you want to talk about some scientific definition about it, we all know negativity and negative is something that is opposite of what is positive. Obviously, negative is the opposite term of positive. So whenever we talk about negativity, obviously first of all we have to know what positivity is, because many of us actually think about that why there is so much negativity around us, why we can't be happy for a moment, why our life is so much fulfilled with depression, with wrong things, with negative things, why our life is so much negative. So here the matter comes, what is positivity and why positivity matters, and why your inner aspect can change, and how it can ensure your well-being as well. So first of all, I want to tell you one thing, that positivity is something that comes from your inner mind, your inner brain, your inner heart, your inner thought. So positivity is something that your mind, that your fate, that your entire life goal wants to be. So how it works like this, like whenever we do something new in our life, we always have the positive outcome in our future vision. So what it is, like whenever we do something, we hope for a good result, and there is nothing wrong about it, because good results and the results that you deserve, you think you deserve, something that generally and very naturally comes to everyone. So there is nothing to worry about, because everything is so much natural here, everything is so much normal. All of these thoughts are too normal in this time and in these days that we don't need any kind of like special person to talk about it. We all know that we always go through such kind of depressive thoughts. We go through some kind of bad thoughts, bad dreams, and obviously thus gradually we develop negativity on their own. So it's not something that you should prevent, it's something that you should control. I have always talked about like controlling your mind, controlling your thoughts, because this is the general way and it's the easiest way to deal with your sufferings. Because whenever the things come like gradually one after another, the most important and easiest way to deal with it as it is to control it, to control your mind from going with the flow, and obviously to control your thoughts from going any further than its limitation or than its boundaries. So whatever it is, you have to be the one and you have to be that controller. So negativity, we all know that negativity is a term of negative, and it comes along with this word negative. Negative is something that our mind, our subconscious brain doesn't want to face. That's the fact that we all talk about, because life is always something that requires so much hardship, that requires so much struggle. Success requires so much struggle in this life. So there is nothing that you should be talking about, you should be thinking about. Negativity is this thing that we overlook, that we misjudge, but negativity is a part of life. To be true, you can't imagine your entire well-being without your one hand, without your one leg. Obviously there are exceptions as well, but generally we can't even imagine our life that way. The only suggestion this way, the only thing that I can suggest you all guys, that whenever things that you feel and whenever it comes to your mind, like all of a sudden, and you can't believe it, that no, it can't be possible, it can't happen with me, block those barricades, block those limitations of your thoughts. Whenever you have these thoughts in your mind, without having the thought of running away, just go through it. Just go through the very end, so that you can imagine yourself being that person who not have that one hand, that one leg in future. But what will that mean? Will you say you're living? No. Life is beautiful, life is full of hardships, but came from that, because that creature didn't use these hands a lot. So that's why these hands turned out to be wings, which can't work really like our hands. So it's normal, it's important, and it's something that we should always tell our mind, that nothing stops for nothing. Okay, whatever our life is, whatever our future is, whatever our present is, whatever our past was, that has nothing to do with our well-being. Negativity can be treated with a very positive manner. If you can find that positivity in your life, always ask people to ask for negativity in your life. But this is a circular way, this is a circle of life that claims all those opposite sides together gradually, one after another. One cannot be fulfilled other than the other. So it is so much natural, it's so much important to give your all condition, give your all well-being to your negativity. Choose negativity so that after that negativity you are sure about it, that positivity is in its way. But if you choose all the time positive things in your life, you have to remember that as well, that positive things are not gonna last. Same as the negative things. Not any of the positive or the negative things can last for long or for the lifetime. It can't be like that. So you have to choose one for waiting another. It's just a circle of every day that we are passing now. We all know that if you can ask for negativity, you can counsel yourself as pure, as a true achiever of negativity. You believe yourself that you have that courage, you have that hardship in your mind, so that you can face that negativity, so that you can see the rising success and the rising positivity in your future. This is what life actually and truly requires from a single person. It always looks for exams. It takes exams. Not every examinations that those are taken by the institutions, by your teachers, those are not the exams of our life. Those are some numbers and papers. We all know that there have always been numerous amount of exceptions about these things who failed in these exams, but they succeeded in the exams of life. That's why they became famous, that's why they became notable, that's why till today the world remembers them. That's the reason. So for today, this is it, guys. I hope you liked my video, and obviously I hope that you found my video helpful. So if you are being helped from my channel, that is all that I can ask from you. Be happy, spread love, so that everyone in this world can have that courage in themselves, that we are not alone. We have persons, we have people thinking about us, we have this world to see, we have this nature to see, we have these things to feel. Life is so beautiful. Enjoy it and be grateful for this.